investment on Viacom 18.
The next slide. Let's start with the introduction. This is an Indian brand of video on demand over the top streaming service. On this platform, we usually watch our TV shows, sports and more. Next slide.
Let's talk about brand overview. We are an OTT platform. It streamed the space in India primarily through its platform called Jio Cinema, which is a key player in its OTT strategy, has gained popularity after securing major partnerships.
From the innovation point of view, we are here from this point of view to develop a unique section focused on kids with strong parental controls and interactive story telling to foster learning.
It is expanded not just in India but globally, which can help it get a lot of new customers, which is necessary for its profit making.
And next slide.
Vision to become the India's biggest OTT platform and to become every Indian's choice for OTT platform, to build global reach and a user-friendly platform.
Mission: supporting creativity and innovation of content creators, being responsible to reduce carbon footprints.
Now let's talk about market analysis. More than 3,000 million users are expected to be users of OTT platform by 2025.
And next slide. Increasing profits by reducing cost and increasing sales in the point of strategic goals.
Customer satisfaction by delivering high quality products with excellent service.
Enhance brand reputation and recognition to look for opportunities in the global market.
Now let's talk about service roadmap.
Next slide.
For first 6 months, we will be working on platform launch and core features. For till 18 months, we will be working on content expansion and user engagement.
Also, we'll be working on advanced features and technological growth for 18 to 36 months, and also on the global expansion and innovation for more than 36 months. And next slide.
Now let's talk about revenue forecast. The OTT platform's revenue is expected to grow significantly over the next 5 years. Starting at $8.9 USD in year 1, revenue will rise to $127.5 million USD in year 5.
Expense projections. Expenses will be primarily driven by content licensing and production, which will initially account for 40% of revenue. Additional costs include marketing, platform development, and operational overhead.
Funding requirement. An initial investment of $5 million is required to cover infrastructure, content acquisition, and marketing. Now next slide. We will be appointing Priyanka Chopra as a brand ambassador, as she is influential and popular among Indian youth. Thank you.
Thank you.